Hi, and welcome to another SEO Tuesday tutorial. If you have a Facebook business page, you may have received an email advertising Facebook Wi-Fi. This tutorial is going to give a simple overview of what Facebook Wi-Fi is, how to gain access to it, and some of the benefits. So if you scroll through your email, what Facebook is saying that more people can find your business, it gives you secure access to Wi-Fi, and there will be data downloaded that you can review about your customers. So very simply how it works, just like the picture in the email, that allows you to hang a digital sign in your business window that says you have free Wi-Fi. And Facebook is saying it's secure because instead of using your guest Wi-Fi and have to give out passwords to your router, once you get it set up, Facebook is emitting a Facebook Wi-Fi signal that your customers will access instead of going through your guest Wi-Fi. So let's go over to the Facebook Wi-Fi page and see what that looks like. Okay, on the Facebook Wi-Fi page, again, Facebook is saying that you can get discovered by millions of people. You can help your customers connect to your Wi-Fi faster, and you can increase your likes and check-ins. And with Facebook Wi-Fi, visitors of your business can check in on Facebook to access the free Wi-Fi. And that's the catch for your customers. In order to access the Wi-Fi, they have to check in to your business Facebook page. And once they do that, they will gain access to the free Wi-Fi. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see more activity on your page, and that is a result of Facebook sending the customers to your Facebook page after they check in. And hopefully, once that happens, they will, like and follow you and interact with your page. And you can get discovered by people looking for Wi-Fi because on the other end of that, from the Facebook mobile app, there's a feature that searches for Facebook Wi-Fi. And let's take a look at what that looks like from the other side. So on your Facebook mobile page in the bottom right, click on More. And then in the list, you'll see Find Wi-Fi. And on that page, after you click on that, you can set up the free Wi-Fi on your mobile app. And then that will display a map of all the businesses offering free Wi-Fi. Now let's go back to the Facebook Wi-Fi page. And you see some more features and insights, and this is some of the data that once you set this up, you'll get information back from Facebook that lets you know how many people are checking in, are they unique visitors, one-time visitors, returning visitors, and then you can see the peak times, hours, and days that your customers are using the Wi-Fi in your business, and adjust your marketing according to that if you'd like. Now, if we go over to the Getting Started page, this is where you can check to see what kind of router you would need to set up the Wi-Fi. If you scroll down, they have Facebook compatible routers. And then under each router, it has setup instructions for that specific router. And again, we'll put links to all this in the description below. Okay, I hope this helps explain a little bit about what Facebook Wi-Fi is and how you can get access to it to set it up for your business. Thanks.